Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called Brahmacharya, the all important factor. So this was the video which I covered on the last topic. So in our today's topic, I'm going to cover the concept called, I'm starting a new topic, friend, that is Brahmacharya for longevity, and the topic is secret of longevity. So I'm going to cover this topic, friends. Okay. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Okay. Secret of longevity. It is only mere attainment of establishment of achara that you may be able to attain full age and eternal happiness. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling if we want to live our full life with full happiness, it is very important for us to follow Brahmacharya and the practice of Brahmacharya, friends. Okay. You can attain full age even if you are devoid of all other qualities by the establishment of achara, good conduct only. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling by the habit of good conduct we can live our full life uh, very nicely, friends. Okay. Achara is the character building. You must have a good character. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling that Achara is a character building and we must have a good character. Otherwise, you will lose your brahmacharya or virya, the vital energy. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that if we do not have a good character, we are going to lose our brahmacharya or virya, the vital fluid, friends. Okay. And thereby attaining premature death. So and even we will die early of our time. For example, if our age is up to 120 year or 100 year, we may die at 80 years or 70 years only. We cannot live our full life if we are not following the practice of brahmacharya, friends. Shrutis declares full life or age of 100 years for a man. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling a very important statement. He is telling Shrutis declared that a man have his full age, that is of 100 years. This you can attain only by the establishment of brahmacharya. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling this we can only attain by the establishment of brahmacharya. By following the practice of brahmacharya only we can live our full life, that is 100 years. You have to remember one thing more. The secret of longevity may be based chiefly upon the discretion in the choice of food and drink, temperance, sobriety, chastity, and a hopeful, optimistic look on life. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling the one thing we need to remember, the secret of longevity also with brahmacharya, it lies upon the food we eat, the water we drink, and all the different factors like whatever is being entered in our body through our mouth, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. And so glutons, drunkard, the ideal, the dissipated, or the lazy cannot reasonably hope to attain full age. So yes, Swami Sivananda is saying that those who are drunkard, those who drink alcohol, they cannot also live up to their full age, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. That one may attain to the age of 100 years or more is no visionary statement. So here Swami Sivananda is telling one may easily live up to 100 years and it is not a visionary statement. It is the truth, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. According to psychological and natural laws, the duration of the human life should he at least 5 times the period necessary to reach full growth. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling the average duration of the human life is more than 5 times the five more than 5 times the period of necessary of full growth he need to live. Okay, friends. So this Swami Shivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. This is prevailing law which is explained in the brute creation. So Swami Shivananda ji is telling this is the prevalent law which is explained in the brute creation to us. The horse grows about 4 years and live to be about 12 to 14 years. So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling horse grows about 4 years but he lives about 12 to 14 years. The camel grows for 8 years and lives to about 40 years. This is also an important statement that camel only grows up to uh, 8 years but he lives up to 40 years, right? A man grows up to 20 to 25 years if accident could not be excluded. So Swami Sivananda is saying a man grows up to 20 to 25 years if the accident is not excluded. His normal duration of life should not be less than 100 years. So Swami Sivananda is telling a normal duration of a life of a man should not be less than 100 years. So say Milton Severan of the West. So Milton Severan of the West also say this statement, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Just compare this to the period of life declared by the Shruti. So here Swami Sivananda is telling just we need to compare this by which the period of life is declared by the Shrutis. Puranas and the Shastras of the Hindus and the period of Brahmacharya as full of 25 years. So this is the period it is mentioned in the Shastras of the Hindus and the period of Brahmacharya which should be attended about 25 years. So Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The period of a growth of a brahmachari which can be established by the attainment of virya is to be had by the rigid attainment of brahmacharya. So this is the period of every individual should definitely follow brahmacharya, and it is a period of a growth of a human being, friends. Okay, so Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. And so Patanjali Maharishi, writer of Raj Yoga or Ashtanga Yoga, says Brahmacharya Pratish Yam Virya Labha. So the writer of the Patanjali Maharishi and the writer of Raj Yoga says this statement that Brahmacharya Pratishyam Virya Labham. So it is very important for us to preserve the Virya and transmute that Virya into the Ojas Shakti. So this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. There are instances of men who have attained longevity and intellectual power despite their lose. So here Swami Sivananda is telling there are instances of men who have attained the longevity and the intellectual power of despite their lose, friends. Okay. Immoral ways, obviously this is due to their prarabdha. So here Swami Sivananda is telling this is obviously due to their prarabdha, their destiny, but they would have been still more powerful and brilliant had they possessed a good character and the coincidence as well. So they should be more powerful and they should possess more intelligent if they would be in a good character, friends. Okay, so friends, today's topic came to an end. This was today's topic, secret of longevity, and that was brahmacharya of longevity. And in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called Brahmacharya in active life, friends. Okay. So, friends, this topic came to an end. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. I'll meet you in the next video. Okay. Till then, goodbye, friends.